Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove OBS Virtual Camera from Google Chrome. First, I will open my browser and go to the settings. From there, I will open privacy and security, then go to the site setting. Now I will click on camera and you will be able to see OBS Virtual Camera listed there. Next, we are going to remove it from your system. So right click on the OBS Studio shortcut on your desktop and choose Open File Location. Then go back to the OBS Studio folder. After that open the data folder and then open the OBS plugin folder. Inside that find and open the WinDS Hub folder. Now right click on the virtual camera uninstaller and run it as administrator. Once the uninstall finish, close everything and restart your PC or laptop. After restarting, open your browser again and check the camera settings. You will see that the OBS virtual camera has been removed. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.